Hi, welcome to Ruislip Appliances. A question we seem to be getting asked all the time at the moment is about induction hobs and whether they plug in or whether they're hardwired. I've got this Neff induction hob here that comes pre-wired from the factory with a 13 amp plug top. It's a 4-zone induction hob. Then I've got a Siemens here with no cable on it. It's also a 4-zone induction hob. Now the reason being is that manufacturers identified that a 13 amp plug top would be a key sales tool for a lot of their products. That's because you can put an induction hob now to replace a gas hob and plug it into a final ring main. However, there is a compromise. When you plug in the induction hob, the total connected load of the hob can't be more than 3 kilowatts. And what that will mean is if you have one zone going full power, you'll get full power to it. But as soon as you start calling on the other zones to turn on and require energy, it will subdivide your 3 kilowatts throughout the whole hob. So if you had all 4 zones going, unfortunately they wouldn't work at the pace you'd expect. That's the compromise for being able to have an induction hob plugged in. We also sell the hardwired hobs, and they're ranging from 4.6 up to about 7 kilowatts. And that means that all the zones will be able to go full power at once for you. But to have that working, you must have a 20 or 32 amp supply. And the easy way of seeing that is if your current hob runs on a big red cooker switch, the sort of thing we used to have at school in the home ec department to turn the cooker on and off. It needs to be that large double pole switch. You can always give us a call and we can try and talk you through that on the phone. The easy way when you're looking at hobs to see is on the underside of the hob there's a sticker, and the sticker has a rating of total connected load. This one here is 3 kilowatts, 3000 watts. So that means that this will run obviously on the pre-wired 13 amp plug top you've got here. The Siemens one, however, that we've got this one is rated to 4,500 watts, 4.5 kilowatts. So this would need an electrician or a competent fitter to go into the connection plate here and wire in to the circuit. That's a little info video for you on induction hobs. On our website we tried to moniker that with 13 amp next to the induction hobs that will run on it, or if you look in the descriptions, it's anything that's 3 kilowatts and below will run on a 13 amp plug top. 3 kilowatts or above, you need to be hardwired. Thanks a lot.